Welcome to Sushmita's Maths class. Here, maths is made so easy and simple that you will all start liking it. Children, today we will be doing all the 4 operations of fraction. Let's start with addition and subtraction of fraction. So when we are adding like fractions, like 4 by 5 plus 1 by 5, like fractions, we simply add the numerators. So it will be 5 and denominator remains as such. Even in subtraction of like fraction, denominator remains the same and we subtract the numerators. Let's see it in the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, one thing is divided into 5 parts. Out of that, 4 parts I have taken and I add one more part. So it becomes 5 by 5. Here it is. And 5 by 5 means one whole. The whole thing I have taken. So it is one whole. And when we are subtracting, so the same thing is divided into 5 parts. I have taken 4 out of 5 parts. 4 out of 5 parts. And then I have eaten one part. 3 out of 5 is left. So here it is. Now when we have the different denominators, that is unlike fractions, let's see what we have to do. We have to make the denominators same. Let's take this fraction 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. Now these are unlike fractions, we have to add. So before adding, we have to find out the equivalent fractions for each with the same denominator. And the same denominator is the LCM of these numbers. So let's find out the LCM. 2, 4, 5. The LCM will be 2 2s are 4. The 5 cannot be divided, so 5 is brought as such down. Now 2 1s are 2, 5. So 2 into 5 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So new denominator is 20. First we have to make 1 by 2 into 20. So to make it 20, I have to multiply by 10. So numerator also has to be multiplied by 10. So this number becomes 10 by 20 plus the next is 3 by 4. We are doing the same thing as we did in comparing. 3 by 4 and we have to change it into 20. So making it into 20 means I have to multiply by 5. It will be 15 by 20 plus. Next is 4 by 5. To make it 20, I have to multiply by 4. So it will be 16 by 20. Now see, all the denominators are same. We can comfortably add it. 41 by 20. Now, this is improper fraction, so we have to change it into mixed number. Dealing with the unlike fractions, but with certain conditions. See here, the denominators are co-prime numbers. So when they are co-prime, we just have to multiply these two to make it into new denominator. And we multiply like this. 3 4s are 12 plus 5 2s are 10. And the answer will be 22 by 15. In this case, 5 and 10 means this is a multiple of this. 10 is multiple of 5. So here the LCM or the new denominator will be 10. and here as such it is 1, and for making it 10 we have to multiply by 2, so we will be getting 8 over here, multiplying both by 2. So this will be 7 by 10. This is very interesting, children. See, both are unit fractions. So what we do, we just multiply these two and write over here, that is 12, and then add these two and write over here, that is 7 by 12. Now we will be dealing with multiplication. Children, whenever we are multiplying, we multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. And if we have the common factors between a numerator and a denominator, we cancel it. Here we are multiplying 3 multiplied by 3 by 5. So we are putting 1 over here to make it a fraction, and the answer will be 3 3s are 9 and 1 5s are 5. Here it will be multiply numerator by numerator. So 1 1s are 1 and 2 2s are 4. Here again there is a whole number, so we are putting 1 over here. 9 5s are 45 and 1 12s are 12. But see, they have a common factor 3. So we can cancel it here itself. 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. It will become 15 by 4. We can do it over here also, dividing both the numbers by their HCF. So HCF is 3. Children, remember, HCF of the numbers can never be greater than the smallest number. It can be equal to or smaller than the smallest number. So here it is 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15 and 3 4s are 12. See, the same numbers have come. We can change it into mixed fraction. For multiplying here, again we can see one numerator and denominator have the common factor, that is 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So answer is 1 by 7. Children, multiplication is repeated addition. So here we have to add 3 by 5 3 times. So we are adding 3 by 5 3 times, and as I told you, when we have like fractions, we simply add the numerator and write it as such. Now children, I will be showing it with the figure. See, 3 by 5. So there are 1, 2 and 3 chocolates, and out of that 3 parts I am taking. From all 3 I am taking 3 parts. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 out of 5. Now I am adjusting this over here. So 1, 2, 3 from this. Then 1, 2, 3 means from 1, 2, 3. That makes 6. 7, 8, 9. So 7, 8, 9. I have one whole chocolate and 4 by 5. From here 5 parts I have taken 4. So when we are adding 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5, it is one whole chocolate and one 4 by 5. See, we are getting, when we are multiplying, we are getting 1 4 by 5. Division of a fraction by another fraction is the multiplication of first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. Now what is reciprocal? Reciprocal of a number means interchanging of the numerator by the denominator. See, for example, reciprocal of 12 by 3 is 3 by 12. When a number multiplied by another number gives the product as 1, that is known as reciprocal to each other. Here 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3 and 12 1s are 12 and 12 1s are 12. So whenever we are dividing, we are first finding out the reciprocal of the second number, the divisor. So here it will be 4 by 5 and interchanging of the denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator. Now we will be cancelling and doing the same steps as we were doing in multiplication. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3, so it is 1 by 5. Here again, if we multiply by the reciprocal, what do we get? The reciprocal is 27 by 3 and here it is 12 by 7. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. 108 upon 7. Here again 7 by 1 and the reciprocal is 3 by 5. So it is 21 by 5. We can change it into mixed number. Question is, I have 9 chocolates. I want to give 3/4 chocolates to my students. How many students can get it? That means I am dividing 9 chocolates into 3/4 parts. So here 9 divided by 3/4. See in the picture we will be seeing it. There are 9 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Out of it I am taking 3/4. 3/4 means 4 parts of each chocolate I have broken into. Then I have taken 3 parts from one chocolate, second chocolate, third chocolate. In this way 3 parts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and given it to 9 students. Now these 1/4 are left below. So I have to give 3/4 again. So 1, 2, 3 I am giving it to the 10th child. 1, 2, 3 I am giving it to the next child and 1, 2, 3 I am giving it to the next child. So I am getting 12 students to give 3/4 chocolate to each. Here 9 multiplied by again reciprocal of the second number and then cancellation. See 12 students can get 9 chocolates if I distribute 3/4 to each one of them. Now we will be dividing 27 by 37 into 3 parts. So how we will be dividing? As I said, the second step will be finding the reciprocal of 3. So reciprocal of this number will be 1 by 3. Then cancellation, 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. So 9 by 37 is the answer.